Hey everyone and welcome back. Ever had that moment? You're working on a file, you make a few changes and you save it. A couple of days later, you update it again and save it with the exact same name. Now you're happy with the latest version, but then your client calls. They say, hey, can we go back to the version from last week? The one with the green logo. And you're like, that's gone. Poof. It's a problem we've all faced. You can try to be clever and rename files like document-v1.png, document-v2.png, but let's be honest, that's a mess. It's not scalable. Thankfully, AWS has a perfect solution for this exact problem. It's a powerful yet simple feature called S3 Versioning. So what is it? Think of it like a time machine for your files. With S3 Versioning, when you upload a new file with the same name, instead of overwriting the old one, it creates a brand new version. The old one is preserved, safe and sound. This is a game changer because it gives you two huge advantages. Version history. You can preserve every single update you make. Need to roll back to a previous version? No problem. Version history. You can preserve every single update you make. Need to roll back to a previous version? No problem. Okay, so how do you enable this magic? It's super simple. First, log in to your AWS S3 console. Then, either create a new bucket or select an existing one. Once you're in your bucket, go to the Properties tab. Scroll down a bit and you'll see Bucket Versioning. It will likely be disabled by default. Click Edit, select Enable and then hit Save Changes. That's it. Your bucket now has versioning enabled. From this moment on, every time you upload a file with the same name, AWS will create a new version of it without deleting the old one. Let's do a quick demo. I have a bucket here and I'll create a folder called AWS-course. I'm going to upload a picture into it. Let's call it myphoto.jpg. Now I'm going to take a completely different picture and upload it to the same folder with the exact same name. myphoto.jpg. At first glance, it looks like nothing has changed. But wait, look for the Show Versions toggle at the top of the file list. When you switch it on, you'll see multiple entries for the same file, each with a unique version ID. This is the power of versioning. You can individually open, download, or even delete each of these versions. Now for the recovery part. What if you accidentally delete a file? I'm going to select the latest version of our myphoto.jpg and hit delete. Now, if you refresh, it looks like the file is gone, right? But with versioning enabled, AWS doesn't actually delete the file. It just places a delete marker on top of it. When you turn on Show Versions, you'll see the old versions are still there, but you'll also see the delete marker. If you delete that marker, your file magically reappears. It's an amazing safety net for when mistakes happen. Of course, there's a small catch: cost. Every version of a file you store counts towards your storage. So if you have 3 versions of a 1 GB file, you'll be charged for 3 GB of storage. It's something to keep in mind, especially with large files. And one final important point: you can't completely disable versioning once it's enabled. You can only suspend it. Suspending means new files won't get new versions, but all your old versions will be maintained. So there you have it, AWS S3 Versioning. It's a powerful, simple, and essential tool for anyone working with data in the cloud. It saves you from those oops moments and gives you peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cloud tips. And let me know in the comments below, what's your biggest oops moment with a file? I'd love to hear it. See you next time.